Hey everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So we are here at our existing residence, and prior to doing wallpaper, we used to do a lot of faux finishes. So we did this type of finish a lot, and these plasters a lot. So it looks like wallpaper. It's kind of cool. With closer you look, you can pick any colors you want. Had fun when I did it, and now that I have to get rid of it, I'm just saying, what a pain in the, pardon my French, ass this is. So it's supposed to come off a lot easier than what it is. It's not. So you can see I've got our Festool sander. I'm using 40 grit sandpaper. 40 grit sandpaper to get this stuff off the wall. So the lighter color is where I sanded. That was 2.5 hours of a power sander to get this somewhat smooth, even though it still looks textured. Let's see if I can get close enough that you can see. That's probably not. Well, yeah. So you can kind of see it's pretty smooth compared to that, where it's really textured. So trying to get it as smooth as possible so we can paint because we're gonna sell our house. So trying to make this so it's not an eyesore when people people start looking at the house. So that's our task. So if you're getting a full finish, just be careful what you're getting. If you need recommendations on what to do, color washes are awesome, especially metallic ones are awesome because you can paint over them when they're done. And we still do a lot of those with wallpaper to accent that. But the heavy plasters, have someone put up a lining paper, which is it's kind of a wallpaper, but it's a heavy duty paper, probably about twice as thick of a paper bag. You put that on the wall first. Then you can put your full finish up. And when you're tired of it, you just get it wet and it just comes off the wall, which definitely would have been a lot easier had I known that prior to doing this. So just kind of some words of warning before you pick a faux finish. Make sure it's going to come off the wall.